Hi, you're with Simon at English Coach, and as you can see, I have my familiar background of greenery and nature surrounding me, and this is where I like to come to make my videos because nature inspires me. So I automatically do those things that help me become either more inspired or more excited about what I'm doing. As you can see, nature is an inspiration to me. Find your inspiration. Okay. This video is actually about something quite different. A lot of people have done this in the past and probably may have given up along the way. It's something that I do every year. It keeps me focused and it helps me follow my goals toward my dreams, if you can understand that. What I'm actually saying is my goals in terms of maybe 1 or 2 year plans versus my 10-year or my 15-year idea of my lifestyle, what my life's going to be like in 15 years. So I'm actually talking about vision boards or dream boards. Now, as you can see, I don't have one here to give you an example of, but what I'm talking about is spending a few hours online, getting the pictures which represent your dreams or your goals for the next 2 years, and printing them out, cutting them out, and putting them on a board somewhere where you can see them, maybe somewhere close to your bedroom where you can actually, each time you open or go in and out of your bedroom, you see these images, and then they remind you of where you're going, what you're doing, and for the long-term pictures, who you are as well. So I'm a big advocate of vision boards, and I believe they work because I've been using them for about 3 or 4 years now, well, 3 years, and each time I use them, I find that I'm pulling off all the pictures that I've accomplished, and it can get to between 70 and 90% sometimes. So it's really, really worthwhile. Of course, a lot of the things that you put up there are almost guaranteed to happen, but a certain amount are not guaranteed to happen, and it's really fun and it's really challenging to see those things manifesting in your life. So that's why I really personally endorse vision boards, and I think they're a good way to go. Of course, there's a lot more than just wishful thinking and associated imagery that you need to get ahead in your life, but it certainly gives you that extra inspiration. It certainly keeps you focused when you wake up on those mornings you've got no inspiration, you don't know what you're doing, and you just take a quick look at that vision board and you're back where you were, and you're feeling inspired, and you're enjoying your day again. Trust me, that's worth it. That's really worth it. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope that you subscribe and enjoy the rest of my videos. Bye.